3DO is an award-winning design, engineering, and manufacturing service that specializes in small, complex metal components. We actually help customers at every stage of their life cycle, really starting from ideation all the way through to product launch and operating at scale. And the reason that we do this is so that we can truly solve the problems that our customers are running into. But we're not your average 3D printer. We invented our own technology that we chose to keep in-house versus other 3D printing technology companies that actually sell their printers. And on the other side, for many service bureaus that also provide an end-to-end service, we do that with a hybrid technology that is in-house, it's ours, so we know our technology better than anyone. Product teams are faced with manufacturing trade-offs every day at every step of the product lifecycle. And with 3DO offering design for additive manufacturing services early stage, we're actually answering some really underserved needs that our customers have. They want to incorporate design for manufacturing earlier in the process to make sure, with scale in mind, they're able to reach that objective. We talked to a number of customers that we currently were working with and a lot of organizations that had problems that they really were having a hard time finding the right solutions to. And we were able to uncover 4 key problems that exist throughout the product lifecycle that it really didn't seem like a company similar to ours with its own proprietary technology and the ability to 3D print at high volumes was really solving. And with us being able to come in with specific expertise, with a specific technology that we can tweak for those customers, it allows us the really unique opportunity to really serve these customers with an end-to-end solution, sometimes solving problems they didn't even know that they have.